Let's create an easy and beautiful design. Apply a camouflage base coat and cure it in the lamp. Take glitter gel polish, here we have a blue one. Draw a contour of a mitten and then cover it with gel polish. This time you don't have to cure the result in a lamp and have to draw horizontal lines with white gel paint. Again, don't cure the result and draw vertical lines with a clean thin brush. Now cure the result in a lamp and take silver gel polish to draw a line as shown in the video. Then cure the result and remove a sticky layer to draw thin beautiful lines later. Circle the mitten with white color. You can also draw a string on the top if you want. Apply top coat and that's it. You can also try to use other colors to draw a mitten. Write in comments whether you like such sparkling designs.